G'day, Jeff from Cartridge World. Power purging on the MFC8690 style of printer. It's one that looks like this. First of all, why do a power purge? You've done multiple printhead cleans and you've got absolutely nowhere, and you're ready to throw the printer through the window. And I understand printers are evil. Whoop. And this is one way to get around it. Now, because I'm holding a telephone, I have to demonstrate something that I've already done, which is have the machine printer on. Two, make sure all inkjet cartridges are full or have ink in them. Okay, this won't work if any of the cartridges are empty. So what do you do to get into maintenance mode? You pull the power cord out of the wall with it when it was switched on. So make sure it's on, pull the power cord out, hold and keep holding the copy button while putting the power back in the socket. Keep holding the copy button. Then you'll get this maintenance menu. Right, sorry about all the reflection. Right, maintenance menu. Now, the magic numbers to get into power purging is 76. Cleaning all. Do you want to clean all of them? If you do want to clean all of them, first of all, you've got a serious problem. Well, your printer has a serious problem. You press 0 and mono start. But if you want to just do one color, you need to be able to select the color you want to do. Press these two down until you get the arrow keys. And let's say we're going to do the yellow. Black, magenta, cyan, yellow. There it is. Now, what do you want to do? A massive clean is a number 0. A power purge is number 3. You can dork around with those numbers quite a bit. Okay. Let's do a 0, which is the sort of thing that when a head's been totally replaced, and my idea is it pushes a bucket load of ink through. So we have to get back to our number systems again, number screen, get to there, press 0, comes up, press mono. Now it's cleaning. So it'll do that, and it'll do that per color as you go through each one if you want to. That's about it really. Press 9 to get back to your main screen. Do a print sample. As you can see, this printer has got some serious problems, and this is probably, unfortunately, not recoverable. Okay, so I hope that worked for you. My name's Jeff, Cartridge World, and that's what we do in Cartridge World. We help people. Okay.